Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. Today, before starting the main art piece of Kerala mural, today I will show the background finishing. This is very important in Kerala mural painting. So today I am going to discuss about an important topic in Kerala mural painting. Okay. So today we need some brushes, long hair brushes. This is 2 number brush. This is I think 18 number brush, but we don't need this brush. This is 5 number brush. I will use these brushes and we will use these brushes also. The 0 number, 00 and all that. Okay. So just very important thing, any painting reaches near perfection only after the final finishing touches. So if you observe the background of Kerala mural painting, you will understand this finishing textures. One of the very important color used in Kerala mural painting is Scarlet Lake, this one. Okay, it is same color used for background finishing. Okay, so I would like to tell you there are 3 types of finishing or shading method used in Kerala mural painting. This is first one is can you see? Yes, first one is Bindu gem. Okay, and second one is Rekhikam. Okay, and third one is Patarakam. Okay, these 3 patterns are we are using for the Kerala mural finishing. The background finishing style taught by teachers very according on their preferences. Some of them use Bindu gem, some of Rekhikam and other practices for Pathakaram. Okay, so we will start with the Bindu gem. In Bindu gem style, we use small dots are used for finishing or shading like this. Okay, and in Rekhikam, small lines are painted in one direction only like this. Okay, and in this method, Patharakam style, we do small thin lines painted in different direction like understood, like this. So now let's see how this is done. The first one is Bindu gem. So first we will make the background, then we will start all the style patterns of Kerala mural painting. As I told you, yellow ochre is very important. So to make background, we will use yellow ochre and burnt sienna. Got it? First I will draw some patterns, then I can show the difference of these 3 methods. Okay, so I need a pencil. Oh, sorry. I will divide this border into 3 parts, then I can show all the 3 methods in this box. Then you can decide which method you will follow to make your paintings. Okay, now I have 1, 2 and 3 boxes over here. So first we will make the background. To make background we need yellow ochre and burnt sienna as I told you. Now we will make one palette. Okay, first we will make I am taking yellow ochre and burnt sienna. So first I am taking yellow ochre, this much. Okay, and you need to take a little bit of burnt sienna. Okay, like this. See, I took yellow ochre this much and burnt sienna this much. Now we need water. Mix it well. Just this is yellow long hair brush. This is helpful to make yellow Kerala mural painting. Now we have this kind of color. Now let's start giving the background with the long hair brushes. Okay, so you have to apply this color first like this. You can apply like this, or you can apply either you can take this stroke. You need to take 3 coats together, okay, or either you can take this stroke. Both are right method. Just you need to take long hair brushes and you need to take stroke like this. Two or 3 coats you need to take. Okay, if it is too dark, then you can take 2 stroke. Otherwise, you can take 3 coats. Okay. I am doing second coat. Okay, each step should be get dried and then applied the second coat. Okay, so just remember this thing. After complete the background with yellow ochre 3 times, we will move forward. So we have to wait to get dry. Okay, now it's completely dry. Okay, now to make the background, now I'm taking the Scarlet Lake and Burnt Sienna. Okay, see, this is Scarlet Lake. I'm taking a little bit of Scarlet Lake because we need to make this color transparent and watery. And Burnt Sienna. So just take a very little and make water. It should be watery and transparent. That's why I am adding more water and mix it like this. Now I need to give second background color with red and Burnt Sienna. So, and I'm using long hair brush. Okay, now start like this. Just do only 1 coat on your base. Okay, your base yellow first base coat should be dry, completely dry, then use the red color. Okay, see the difference. This is pure red and this is on the background. You can see the pure difference. Okay, now we have to wait to dry this portion. Okay, now it's completely dry, so we can start the finishing portion. So first we need 000 number brush, long hair 000 brush, and we need Scarlet Lake. Sometimes people are using Burnt Sienna and Scarlet Lake together to mix the proper mixture and make the dots with these colors. But I'm using Scarlet Lake only. So let's start. You need to use the tip of the brush and gently put dots starting from the corner. So first I make the color like this. Okay, mix it properly with 000 brush. No need to use any other brush. Mix it well. If you want to use burnt sienna and scarlet lake, maybe in the picture we will use both the colors, but today I want to show you the dots, difference of the dots and lines and both all three patterns. That's why I'm using the burnt sienna colors only. Okay. Okay, one more thing, do not put dots one on the top of the others. Okay, take only little amount of paint on the tip of the brush. Okay, so start. Just you need to make dots like this. See, don't do overlapping, just you need to take dots like this. No need to take color again and again. Brush color is already there on your brush, so you can use this brush for a long. See, just you need to take like this. Very close, very close. Like this. This is called Bindu Gem. Okay, like this. Just you need to fill full portion with these dots. Like this. See, the dots are coming in this way. Just you need to put dots in this way only. Okay. Now, the second method. In the second method, Rekhikam, thin small lines are painted closely in one direction is Rekhikam method. So let's start with the Rekhikam method. Be careful not to paint the lines too close that they touch each other. Okay. You have to show the clearance between the lines. Do not paint again on the same place. Okay. So now let's start. Just see, this is how Rekhikam is done. Okay. This is our difference line. Okay. Now I'm using Rekhikam. Take color and just you need to draw the lines, very thin line. That's why I'm saying you need to use 000 number brush. It is very thin brush. You need to draw these lines in one direction. Okay, just see like this. Don't do overlapping. Just you need to make the lines very close and very thin. Use always 000 brush to make these lines. This is called Rekhikam. Okay, this is called Rekhikam. You need to complete full pattern with this stroke only. This is called Rekhikam. That's why I am making very thin line to make and complete full background. Okay, like this. I hope you understood this method. See, this is Rekhikam. Now, the third one is Patharakam. Okay. Never do black outline before every element in the painting is done, because we need to do black outline also in the painting, but always do black color at the end of the painting. Okay, mural painting is a step-by-step process, so always follow the steps. In this method, this is called Patharakam. In this method, small thin lines are painted in different direction, like somewhat where like this, like this, like this. Okay, as I told you before. Okay. Start. Again, I need to draw the line to make the difference. Okay. Now this is Patharakam. So just see how it's done. Somewhere it is like this, in different direction. You can take like this, you can take like this, you can take like this. Just you can use just random lines. All these three methods are very common in Kerala mural. This is a special method to fill the background when you are making Kerala mural painting. Okay, so this is this episode is for the clearance of the blending, finishing. In the last video we have done wash methods, and in this video we have done the background method. See the difference. Now you can see the difference between all the three methods. Okay. This is how Pathakaram shading is done. Hope everyone have understood these three shading methods. Got it? So because from the next video we have to start the main pictures. Today I will share that picture with you all. Then you can take a printout and we will start. In that picture we have lots of techniques in one picture. So just start practice. Okay, these all three methods will use in the Kerala mural main picture. So till then, take care. Bye.